Top 10 Tallest Buildings in the World 2023. The highest structures on the planet are architectural marvels. They are multi-story supertall structures. Because of population, residential, and commercial growth, skyscrapers are built to maximize space. They are attractive tourist attractions because observation platforms are located on the tops of these superstructures. The structures are multi-purpose, meaning they may be used as both offices and residences. Luxury hotels, atriums, shopping malls, and other amenities may be included. Furthermore, they act as landmarks. The expenses of mega-tall buildings are given in US dollars. Some are so tall that they can be seen from a kilometer away in the sky, while the shortest is only around a half-kilometer away. Here are the top 10 world's tallest buildings in 2023. Number 10. China Zun. The China Zun building, which has 109 floors and is the highest structure in Beijing with a height of 528 meters, 1,732 feet, has a cool 109 floors. CITIC Tower topped China World Trade Center Tower 3 to become Beijing's highest structure on August 18, 2016. The China Zun Tower is a mixed-use structure with 60 floors of office space, 20 floors of luxury residences, and a 300-room hotel. On the roof of this structure, there is a green garden. On August 18, 2017, the tower's structural work was finished. The China World Trade Center Tower 3 is 190 meters away. Number 9. Tianjin CTF Finance Center. Tianjin CTF Finance Center is a 530-meter-high skyscraper in Tianjin, China, 1,739 feet. Construction on the building began in 2013 and was finished in 2019. Skidmore, Owings and Merrill LLP collaborated with Ronald Liu and partners to design the Tianjin CTF Finance Center. This massive structure includes 97 stories and 81 elevators. This structure may be found in Tianjin's Binhai New area. It is Tianjin's second highest structure and the world's 9th tallest. Number 8. Guangzhou CTF Finance Center. The Freedom Tower, by comparison, has a 408-foot spire that adds to its height, while the Guangzhou CTF Finance Center would be 371 feet tall without it. On the ground level, there includes a shopping mall, as well as offices, flats, and a hotel. This structure's construction was completed in 2016. Guangzhou CTF Finance Center is the world's 7th tallest building and China's 3rd tallest building. Although the structure is located behind New York City's World Trade Center Freedom Tower, it has far too much usable area to be considered because it lacks any form of spire. Number 7. One World Trade Center. This structure's construction was completed in 2014. The Freedom Tower is an awe-inspiring, gorgeous blue tower in Lower Manhattan that sits over the harbor and adds to its huge circumference with its spectacular spire, which stands at 1,776 feet, a symbolic number that represents the year of the United States independence. With New York City's Freedom Tower, part of the World Trade Center complex being built to replace the original Twin Towers that fell on September 11, 2001, the Western Hemisphere gets its first appearance on the list. It is a tribute to Asia's dominance. This structure has a total of 94 stories. Number 6. Lotte World Tower. On the list of the world's tallest people, he is ranked 6th. This structure has a total of 123 floors. This structure may be found in Lotte World, South Korea. That's a staggering 1,819 feet. Office space, residential apartments, a hotel, and private offices are among the uses of the tower. The sleek and slender shape of the tower already makes it appear huge on the city's skyline. It's hard to believe that a tower that tall isn't the world's highest, but the city of Seoul must be content with its multi-purpose structure. Number 5. Ping An International Finance Center. This structure's construction was completed in 2017. This structure has 115 stories. If it is better, being an international finance center does better as well. To appear in the bright future was the plan to be involved in this. Ping An International Finance Center stands 1,965 feet tall. Number 4. Abraj Al Bait Clock Tower. The Abraj Al Bait Clock Tower, which stands 601 meters tall, is the tallest building in Saudi Arabia, 1,972 feet. It has surpassed the Ping An Finance Center in Shenzhen, China, as the world's fourth tallest structure. The complex's highest tower also houses a 5-star hotel run by Fairmont Hotels and Resorts, which helps accommodate the millions of pilgrims that visit Mecca every year to perform the Hajj. The complex is placed from the main entrance, King Abdulaziz Gate, to the Masjid al-Haram Mosque, which houses the Kaaba, across the piazza in the south. Number 3. Shanghai Tower. Shanghai Tower is the world's third tallest building, located in Shanghai, China. It is also the country's tallest building, with a total height of 632 meters, 73 feet, 128 floors, and 97 elevators. Its construction began in 2008 and was completed in 2014. The tower's construction cost was expected to be $2.4 billion. Number 2. Merdeka 118. Merdeka 118 is a skyscraper in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, that is currently under development. This building's construction is planned to be completed by the end of 2022. With a height of 678.9 meters, the structure will be the tallest in Malaysia and Southeast Asia, 2,227 feet. It was previously known as KL 118 and Warisan Merdeka Tower but is currently referred to as PNB 118. Merdeka 118 is the name of the building since it has 118 stories. Merdeka 118 will be the first building in Malaysia to earn a triple platinum rating from a global sustainability certification, including LEED Platinum certification, LEED. Number 1. Burj Khalifa. Burj Dubai was the previous name for Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. The construction of this structure began on January 6, 2004, and was finished on October 1, 2009. The Burj Khalifa was officially opened on January 4, 2010. This massive structure may be seen in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. This structure, which cost $1.5 billion United States dollars to construct, has 163 stories, 9 of which are for maintenance. Skidmore, Owings, and Merrill of Chicago designed and engineered the tower, with Adrian Smith as principal architect and Bill Baker as chief structural engineer. Samsung C&T of South Korea was the main contractor on the Burj Khalifa. Thank you for joining us on this amazing adventure through the top 10 tallest buildings in the world 2023. If you were inspired by these architectural wonders, don't forget to hit that like button, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. If you have any suggestions for future videos or want to share your thoughts on these remarkable buildings, drop your comments below. Until next time, keep reaching for new heights and exploring the world's marvels.